Bonjour à tous, c'est David. Hi everybody, this is David from French Learner, your online word of the day guy. So today we're going to look at the word temps in French, which means time. For example, le temps passe vite, time flies. So we're going to look at some sentences that use the word temps, as well as compare the words temps to fois, because fois also means time. So the French word noun, le temps, masculine noun, is spelled T-E-M-P-S. And the pronunciation is temps. So you're basically pronouncing the E-M as a nasal sound, and it's the exact same sound as in the word enfant. So in the word enfant, you have an E-N and an A-N, E-N-F-A-N-T, but it's the same sound. It's the A with the squiggly line over it, and it makes the sound en. So the word for time, temps, T-E-M-P-S, and the M, P, and S are completely silent. So do not say temps. That would be wrong. Le temps. Example sentences. Here we go. I have enough time to finish the project. J'ai assez de temps pour finir le projet. Encore une fois, one more time. I have enough time to finish the project. J'ai assez de temps pour finir le projet. So in French, the word assez means quite, rather, and pretty. For example, elle est assez belle. But assez, A-S-S-E-Z, also means enough. So assez de plus noun means enough plus noun, enough blank. Hence, assez de temps, enough time. And interestingly, the word projet in French means both project and plans. So for example, je finis le projet, I'm finishing the project. Or, j'ai des projets ce week-end, I have plans this weekend. So, j'ai assez de temps pour finir le projet. Voilà. Next sentence. How long have you been living in Paris? Depuis combien de temps habites-tu à Paris? So one more time. Depuis combien de temps habites-tu à Paris? So for this sentence, depuis combien de temps literally means since how much time. So depuis means since, combien de means how many or how much. For example, combien d'argent, how much money. But here it's depuis combien de temps. So since how much time. For this sentence, we could have also said depuis quand habites-tu à Paris? And that would mean since when. Next sentence, let's keep moving forward. How's the weather today? It's nice out. Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? Il fait beau. So here, temps doesn't mean time, it means weather. So quel temps fait-il? How's the weather? Quel temps fait-il? Aujourd'hui, il fait beau. It's nice out. Next sentence. I eat lobster from time to time. Je mange le homard de temps en temps. I eat lobster from time to time. Je mange le homard de temps en temps. So for this sentence, we have the word temps in an expression, de temps en temps, which means from time to time. So this one is very tricky. De is spelled D-E, and then we have what appears to be temps en temps. And I'm doing that on purpose to show you the spelling. So for the first T-E-M-P-S, the M, P, and S are silent. However, the S is nasal, has a liaison on it. So rather than saying de temps en temps, the first S on that first T-E-M-P-S is going to sound like a Z, and it's going to be de temps en temps. So in the blog post for this lesson, that's written out very clearly. So de temps en temps, from time to time. Next sentence, we're going to look at the two words for temps really quickly. So we have temps, meaning time in general, and then we have the feminine noun la fois, or une fois, meaning time like first time, second time, third time. So the example sentence is, how many times have you been to France? I've been there 3 times. Combien de fois es-tu allé en France? J'y suis allé 3 fois. Let's say that again. Combien de temps es-tu allé en France? How many times have you been to France? I've been there 3 times. J'y suis allé 3 fois. So this is tricky. Combien de fois is literally how many times. So not combien de temps, that would be totally wrong. Combien de fois es-tu allé? Have you been en France, to France? J'y suis allé. I've been there, and that y means there. 3 fois, 3 times. Et voilà, c'est la fin de la leçon. It's the end of the lesson. I hope that you have a very clear understanding now of how to use temps in French. And I will see you on the next lesson. Merci et au revoir.